Hi, I'm Sartaj Gill. I've just completed my teen teachers training. It was absolutely amazing. The techniques are very different from the normal teacher training.
The Teen Empowerment Play Shop was simply a spectacular, amazing experience for me. It just brought out the inner child in me. And it was fun singing, dancing, creativity, painting, meditation, games.
Babu did a fantastic job. Kudos, and it is highly recommended for every teenager to go through this program.
Everything is so divine out here. Every moment of those last 3 days that we had at the training were amazing. There was so much to learn and unlearn. Learned so much from each other, felt so supported from each other. And there's so much of hope that if I could do this training and I can just give so much of hope to these young teens out there who can lead more beautiful lives, and they have so much of guidance. As we got the guidance, we can pass on to this world and give so much of light and hope.
For every teenager to go through this program, they will get value out of this. And agar unka hi inner child work is completed at this stage, then future में उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
This training has been so close to my heart. So much of self-introspection and so much of self-awareness. I have just no idea what he's done to me. Pure love, unconditional love and unconditional giving. I wish I could come to their home more often, attend more of their trainings, probably once a month, so that every time I'm out in the world, in the grind, I come back to them, get full to the brim with love. They give out so much of love and unconditional. I actually understood the meaning of unconditional love once I came here. I doubt how many people in your life give you unconditional love. I was a bundle of nerves when I came here and an absolute bliss now. And I love myself so much, and she gets all the credit to give me this new life.
The journey cannot be explained in words, it can only be experienced. It means a lot to be touched by love and with a lot of supportive people around. I found this entire workshop being completely meticulously planned and executed. We all became together and we all behaved like a kids, and we were completely becoming a teens, and we could see the progress and the change that was happening in all of us. Personally, I would definitely appreciate the efforts taken by Babuji, the entire team, and my takeaways were a wealth of wisdom, especially the anger related issues, how to handle teens, the intricacies of handling this digital world youth has been completely meaningful and purposeful. And thank you for everything, and thank you to Louise for spreading this work, and she has really created a fabulous environment for everybody.
बहुत सारी वर्कशॉप की है मैंने मिसेस लखविंदर बब्बू गिल. लोगों के लिए लखविंदर बब्बू गिल हैं, बट फॉर मी आई कॉल हर माँ. तो बब्बू माँ से और भी बहुत सारी वर्कशॉप की हैं, बट दिस टाइम टीन एम्पावरमेंट प्ले शॉप इट गोज़ रियली 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 गुड. इतनी सारी चीज़ें लर्न करने को मिली हैं, इतनी सारी चीज़ें अपने टीनेजर को लेकर जो बैगेज था बहुत देर से, जो आंसर्स कहीं से नहीं मिल रहे थे, उन बहुत सारी चीज़ों के आंसर्स मिले हैं. तो और बहुत सारी स्ट्रेंथ मिली है कि अगर आपका टीनेजर वाला थोड़ा जो आपका टाइम था, अगर वो ख़राब था, तो प्लीज़ डोंट लूज़ होप. देयर इज़ स्टिल होप नहीं कहूँगी, बट देयर इज़ सम अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, और वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ इस तरह की प्ले शॉप्स या वर्कशॉप्स के थ्रू आपको मिलती हैं. सो प्लीज़, अगर आपको लगता है आपकी लाइफ में कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम है, तो वो कोई भगवान ऊपर से आके जो कहते हैं ना कि प्लेटर में रख के नहीं देने वाले हैं. सो प्लीज़ ग्रैब द अपॉर्चुनिटी वेन एवर यू गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू लर्न थ्रू हील योर लाइफ वर्कशॉप्स. These have changed my life, and I'm sure these can change your life as well.
Thank you, Babu Ma, for giving us such a beautiful opportunity to be a part of
this teen training empowerment workshop. It was amazing,
Yes.
full of fun, full of activities, and we would like to thank you from our bottom of our heart.
Thank you for giving us wings to fly.
Fly of love, wings of love,
Yes.
wings of peace, wings of happiness, wings of prosperity, everything. And we owe you, and thank you so very much.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you so
You for your
much.
presence in our lives, and
We're deeply grateful.
yes, and making our lives so brighter and so beautiful.
Mwah.